Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the Python SDK. Now, Jambonz also offers a Node SDK. One of the reasons you might choose the Python SDK over the Node SDK is that Python is used as a high-level language for machine learning and AI fundamentals and principles in production-level capacities. Maybe you are more familiar with Python because of the syntax, or maybe you are already using Python in a workflow and want to integrate with the Jambonz platform. Today we're going to be building some test apps for the Python SDK. We're going to be building an IVR. No matter what SDK you use, the Node, the Python, or any other information, the verb principles are going to be the same. So right now I'm going to be going over how the verbs work. Here are the 8 verbs you'll use the most. Use say to speak text to the caller. Use play to play an audio file. Use gather to listen to inputs in voice. Use dial to bridge the call to another number. Use the agent verb to build a voice agent with text-to-speech, speech-to-text in a large language model. Use the speech-to-speech with a vendor to use speech-to-speech connections. Use redirect to redirect to another voice application. Use the hang up verb to hang up the call. First, we're going to make a new folder. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Jambonz-Python. Give me a second here. I'm on a dual monitor setup. Next, we're going to open up that folder. We're going to open up command line. Give me a second here. Type in Python -m ven. Next, you're going to want to upgrade your pip if you need to. Then install iohtp, Jambonz-SDK, and python.env. Make sure you make main.py your main Python file. Next, we're going to import some components. From iohtp, import web. From Jambonz, import say, gather, input, and Jambonz response. I already built this web app, but I'm going to copy and paste what I have, so make sure to pause the screen so you can copy it down too. This is the basic say, gather, and say for our IVR. Say is going to say welcome to the IVR. Gather is going to listen for the inputs with a 5-second timeout. And while it's listening for the inputs, it's going to say, press 1 for sales, 2 for support, or 3 for more options. Now it's time for the routing logic. Make another function, copy down what I have on screen. If digits equals 1, it's going to say connecting you to sales. If digits equals 2, it's going to say connecting you to support. And if else, it's going to say invalid options. Next up, it's time for the server setup. Copy down what I have on screen. Make sure when you're initializing your webhook in Jambonz, you put /IVR to match this. Then we're finally going to add this to start the server on port 8000. Now we're going to run the app. Type in Python main.py. To expose the server today, I'm going to be using a service called ngrok. One thing to make sure is that when you put this application into Jambonz, you add /IVR to make sure it's able to communicate with the server. Now on to the demo.
Welcome to the IVR system. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support, or 3 for more options. Connecting you to sales.
In this video, we built a real IVR product demo, along with went over the verbs in Jambonz and the Python SDK. If you want to get involved in the Jambonz community and build with the Python SDK yourself, head over to jambonz.org and check out the community.